I post on YouTube every single day, and it takes me less than 15 minutes to edit each one. Let me tell you exactly how this all started. So 46 days ago, I took on the challenge to post on YouTube every single day. Don't know what I was thinking, but I'm so happy that I did. Prior to this, I was actually posting one time a week on Thursdays, and it would literally take me 2 to 4 hours to edit each video every week. Now, what did that lead me to? Dread. I mean, I was not motivated to edit. I was not motivated to film, and I wasn't looking forward to the whole process. And so what happened was I quit. I did. And when I came back to YouTube, I told myself I have to do things differently. Me writing out my scripts is not going to work for me. So then I stopped scripting, and now I only have my notes, which are right here. I also stopped editing and doing closed captions and zooms and all the glitz and the glam. And I just focused on cutting out little mistakes and the beginning and ending of my clip. Now, if you are not familiar with CapCut, it's a video editing tool. You can actually use it on mobile. However, the great thing is they actually have a desktop version. Now, editing your long form videos via desktop is a game changer. Now, this feature that allows me to edit quickly in CapCut, it's called transcript. I'm going to show you on the screen how it looks like. It is literally a lifesaver. So what it does is it transcribes your entire video. So it pulls your audio, it transcribes everything via text. Now, what this allows you to do is you can now select the text, any mistakes, all the ums. Like me, every time I say like, I'm able to highlight it and delete it right away. The reason why this is an amazing feature is because you no longer have to scrub through your videos and find the mistakes. You can literally read it quickly, select it, delete it. I love this because it went from maybe 20 minutes of editing time to probably about 15 minutes. For however long my video is, that's how long it takes me to edit my videos. I love it. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and I'm not a gatekeeper, so I'm sharing it with you, and someone on YouTube shared it with me, so I'm just paying it forward. If you have been finding it very difficult to show up on YouTube consistently, but you know this year is your year to create content full-time on YouTube, I'm telling you, the editing process is usually the part that gets a lot of creators stuck and not wanting to film consistently. If you simplify your editing, the filming is going to be much easier. I'm telling you, because what happens now is you can make mistakes and you don't have to stop the video every time you make a mistake, because now you know what? I can just go ahead and cut it out when I transcribe my video. So it makes you show up more with confidence. You're more at ease. You're not stressing about if you're hitting every single point because you can repeat yourself. I love this feature. Go ahead and check it out if this is something that you're interested in. And let me mention too, I believe this may be a pro feature. I do pay $19.99 a month for CapCut Pro. So if you are using the free version and you do not see this, this may be why. However, if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and click the link in my description. I will go ahead and share my free trial, allowing you to try CapCut Pro. And I'm telling you, you're never gonna go back. You're never gonna go back. It is worth every single penny. Listen, that feature alone is worth the $19.99 a month. No joke. All in all, I want you to know that I'm with you. If you are a new YouTuber, or maybe you are a YouTuber starting over, maybe you're over the age of 40 and you're trying to figure this thing out, I'm right there with you. And I really wanted you to know about this feature if you do not already. And I also want to make note that you don't need any fancy equipment. I'm going to be sharing all of my equipment next week, and I'm really going to share my filming space and everything so people can really understand. Just get started. You don't need to learn a new software. You just need to understand the streamlining process that's going to make your job easier. And if CapCut Pro does that for you, great. If, filming on your iPhone 15 Pro does that for you, great. Just use what you have and get started, because I'm telling you, at day 46, I did not picture myself here 46 days ago. I was scared. I was nervous that I was going to be wasting my time. I was second guessing myself, but I kept going. And the only reason why I'm sitting here in front of you speaking to you today is because I understood what works for me and I was able to maintain consistency because of that. All right, you guys, well, that's today's video. It's short and sweet. It's not 10 minutes. It's not 15 minutes. It's really short and sweet because I just wanted to share that with you today. Now, if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Go ahead and drop your name in the chat. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what kind of content you create. And please feel free to ask me any questions if you have any. This was your Daily Dose with Dupé, and I am here every single day for the next 100 days, dropping gems, all things online business growth, digital products, and automation, and really sharing my story. I pivoted at the age of 43 and I decided to rebuild my entire brand and business in the digital marketing space. And I have to say, it has been the most incredible journey. It's been challenging. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's been tough, but it's been also rewarding. And in January, I told myself that I was going to do YouTube full time. I actually started mid-February and I haven't looked back since. So definitely join me on this journey. If you are on a similar journey, welcome. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, have a beautiful and blessed day.